Hey Merda,
What's up, girl?
we're just hanging out, missing you.
Yep, we're about to go on our date
Hot date.
without you
Without you, yes. Just me and Michael, that's it.
while you're in Spain,
And we're in Kennesaw.
and you've got a bump on your head.
Let's piece of tape over it.
What? Yeah.
That's his roommate.
What's what?
What's going on Wednesday?
Let's go on Wednesday, do another hot date, don't we?
It's his birthday. I don't know. Do you have anything planned?
No, what's Wednesday?
Your birthday?
Hey, bitch.
Anyways, back to the real story.
Yep. We were playing a little dice earlier, but we had to quit because
His air conditioning broke. Or it
yeah,
got really hot.
got really hot. So
Sweating. Actually, I'm getting really hot in your shirt, Michael. Here's your shirt. Just go
I
ahead.
forgot
Just
you
go
had
ahead.
that
Yeah,
on.
sorry. Just go ahead and take that.
that's probably good
Yeah.
before we go on a date.
Yeah.
You don't want people to
No, we don't
out
want
in
people.
public to
No,
see that.
not at all.
I hope you're having fun in Spain, though.
Yes, and you're not going overboard with your injury.
Yeah. You've got to find another way to get in trouble tomorrow.
Like, get kicked out of a club. I don't know.
Dancing on tables, maybe?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Make
I
a
don't
crowd.
know.
I don't know.
Or just try not to get trampled by the bulls. maybe not wear red to support Spain.
Maybe you should stand on a table so people can see you so the bulls won't run over you.
And when the bulls come by, you can just like dance and be like, "Oh, it's good.
I'm American, don't hurt me.
I'm American. We dance on tables."
Yes, don't forget them. Don't forget to tell them you're American. And you do dance on tables in America.
Oh man. So where are we going to eat tonight?
We're going Mexican.
Mexican.
Then
On the
go-
border?
Yes, on the border. The movies.
I want a movie, but I don't know if we're gonna watch the movie.
Yeah.
Probably gonna be kissing in the back.
Or the front. Maybe in the middle. So where I can see us.
Front.
Front, yeah. Okay.
That way the light from the screen is on us too.
Even better.
Yep. So you're asleep right now.
And we're awake.
It is.
7 o'clock here.
So that means it's 1 o'clock there.
I know, we're smart. We're smart.
We're quick.
Yeah. Well, we miss you. Wish you were here. Kinda, not really. But have a great time and we'll Skype you soon, I'm sure.
I'll talk to you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye bye.